Screen Team Media.
I'm Clay Aiken. I was a contestant on American Idol, season 2 many years ago. When you're a singer, you're selling yourself. You know, when you are an entertainer in that way, that's what you do. I think that helps singers, comedians, that type of entertainer. I was a teacher. I taught special ed to children with autism, 3rd through 5th grade, and that experience, I think, is something that I'll bring in a little bit too. You know, being a teacher in general, you have to be able to command an audience in some way. You have to be able to organize, conduct, to lead, and being a special ed teacher, especially a teacher of children with autism, you have to be a problem solver because you have to be able to figure out each different child and each different personality and each different need, and so problem solving comes into play. So I think I kind of bring with me a stable of different talents that I think some other folks might not have. Being on a competition, I think, gives me a little bit of a leg up to some folks who are in this cast. Most of the people in this cast, none of them, to my knowledge, have had any experience being on a televised competition, per se. The charity that I'm playing for, the National Inclusion Project, is my own foundation that I started 7 years ago. The National Inclusion Project trains summer camps, after-school programs, writes curriculum to make sure that kids with disabilities can participate in those activities. I think that we're in a good position with the men's team to have people who work together, and I think that's great. I think a lot of people forget that if you work together in your team and your team wins the challenge or wins the task, then nobody on your team gets fired, and people spend too much time trying to infight and you know, who can I get rid of, who's my competition, who do I need to worry about. I don't plan on worrying about anybody. I plan on making sure that my team wins every single time. Say what you want to about Mr. Trump. He is respectful of people, you know. You see him in the boardroom and he has to fire people and he gets tough with people, but he never disrespects anybody. He's never rude to anyone. And I think that's a quality that people forget about in this competition, in business and life in general. I think people think I'm naive, more naive than I am. I may have a little bit of, have led a little bit of a sheltered life, but I'm not completely naive, and I am relatively intelligent, and I think that surprises people sometimes too, because they saw me on Idol just taking my lumps, being insulted, nodding, saying thank you, and walking off. Having not been in the boardroom at all, it's hard to say what my approach will be. I will say this. There's a blue couch on American Idol that I had to stop watching American Idol. This is a true story, because I watched the next year, and whenever people sat on that blue couch in the following season and they started playing that music, my hands would just sweat. I think they're starting to sweat now just thinking about it, just Pavlovian response to this situation. That pressure I've been through, and I'm not too worried about it. I'm not going to let somebody walk over me, but I think it's very possible to advocate for yourself without having to throw someone else under the bus. Now, that said, if the only way to save myself is to throw somebody under the bus, adios, Arsenio. I'm Clay Aiken, and I'm going to be the next Celebrity Apprentice because I have the intelligence, the work ethic, the savvy, and the experience of being in a competition.